The real estate market is changing. It has already changed. You've got to work a lot harder. Cash flow has been very difficult to find in 2023. If you want to learn some great ways for you to invest right now and still get cash flow regardless of these crazy interest rates, then stick around because that's what we're going to be talking about today. What's going on, everybody? Henry Washington here from BiggerPockets. Thank you so much for being here. If you were to ask several investors what is the one thing that they truly need out of their real estate investment, the answer they give is typically always going to be cash flow. Cash flow has gotten much more elusive over the past 12 months. And the main reason that has happened is because the cost of borrowing money has become a lot more expensive. And we're talking about interest rates. As interest rates go up, your cash flow decreases because now you're paying more for the money you need to borrow to buy that property. And it's gone up so substantially that it's almost eliminated cash flow for a lot of investors. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that cash flow is not dead. It is still there. We just need to adjust our strategy a little bit and change what we're looking for in order to help get to that cash flow. And so I'm super excited to share with you 3 ways that you can still find cash flow right now. But before I do that, I want to give you a few words from our friends at Arrived. Real estate has outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 20 years, but most people assume they can't get into real estate without a ton of time, money, or experience. With Arrived, anyone can invest in real estate with as little as $100. Browse highly vetted long-term and vacation rental properties. Invest anywhere from $100 to $50,000 per property in just a few clicks. Then sit back and collect a return. Backed by Jeff Bezos, Arrived brings real estate investing to the masses. So what are you waiting for? Head to arrived.com to become a property investor today. All right, so let's jump into the 3 ways you can find cash flow right now. And number 1 on the list is buying deeper, meaning buying properties at a deeper discount. What's been happening in 2023 is the cost for owning that property has gone up because the cost of the money you need to borrow, meaning your interest, has gone up. And so if your expenses have gone up and you can't rent it for any more, you can't increase your income in order to compensate for that, then you have to figure out a way to decrease your expenses in order to create that cash flow. And so the way that you're decreasing that expense is you're buying that property at a cheaper price. Now, I know you're thinking, well, if buying properties super cheap was so easy, then that's just what I'd have been doing all this time. And you're right. I never said it was going to be easy, but there is absolutely ways for you to buy properties at a deeper discount right now. Buying properties at a deeper discount is finding people who need to sell and can't, and not people who just want to sell. So you have to get comfortable with looking off market. And when you're looking off market for properties, you're no longer looking for houses. You're looking for situations. You need to find a situation where somebody needs to sell their property and are having a difficult time to sell that property, and not somebody who's just wanting to sell it and get top dollar. What situations are there that people need to sell and sometimes can't? Well, it could be that there's so much distress that they're struggling to sell that property with the amount of work that it needs. It could be that they've recently gotten a divorce and they just need to sell quickly to settle that divorce decree. It could be that they've had a death in the family and they inherited a property. Maybe that property's thousands and thousands of miles away from where they live, and they have no idea what to do or what it's going to take to be able to get that property ready to sell at retail, and they'd love to just sell it at its current as-is value to somebody quickly for cash. And for all you folks who are hearing this talk about buying off-market deals and thinking, wow, this is really uncomfortable, I don't know if that's for me. Well, there's also a way that you can buy deep discounted properties on the market. Again, it's going to take some work and it's going to take some effort, but if you do it properly, you can buy deep on the market as well. When you talk about buying a deal, what we're looking for is equity in that deal and motivation, right? Somebody needs motivation to sell to you at a discount. And if you want to find motivation that's on the market, you need to look at properties that have been listed for longer than the average days on market in your real estate market. And so you need to do a little bit of research, find out what's the average days on market in your market, and then have your real estate agent pull a list of properties that have been listed longer than the average days on market. And what you're looking for is you're not looking for what's the price they're asking for the property. You're looking to figure out what's the price that you can pay for that property that produces the cash flow that you need if you buy that property. So number 2 on the list is investing in syndications. There are syndications that go out and they invest in apartment buildings. There's syndications that go out and invest in single family homes. There's syndications that go out and invest in commercial properties. Whatever real estate niche you like, there is a syndication out there that is already good at searching out across the United States and finding the deeply discounted cash flowing properties. And then they pool the money from investors like yourself, purchase those properties, and then provide you a return every month or quarterly, depending on what type of syndication it is. And you can get passive and truly passive cash flow from investing in syndications. And the third and final way that you can buy cash flowing real estate assets right now in this market is to utilize creative financing. And there are 2 creative financing methods that can help you buy properties with cash flow. The first one being owner financing. When you're looking at properties and making offers on properties, whether they're on the market or off market, you may consider making an offer with more than one type of financing. And so you can submit an offer and say, Mr. Seller, I would buy this property for $150,000, and that would be with bank financing, or I can offer you $200,000 with owner financing. And so you can give sellers options for how you purchase that property, and both of those options can be cash flow positive for you. And the second creative financing option that you can use to buy deals with cash flow right now is to buy properties subject to, and that simply means that you take over their payments in the loan that they already have in place. And so they can have a loan in place that maybe has a 2, 3, or 4% interest rate, and you can take over the payments. Now, you may not be buying a ton of equity that way, but you could be buying a much lower interest rate. And because your interest rate is lower, that means that monthly payment is lower. And if you can rent that property for more than what it costs you to take over the payments for that property, well, then you've just created cash flow for yourself. Both with subject to and owner financing, it's going to take a specific type of buyer. And so you need to look for those types of buyers. One of the best ways to look for those types of buyers is you can look for properties and talk to your agent and see if they have any clients who have reached out and wanted to sell their property and they just didn't have enough equity for it to be feasible. The market is a lot more unforgiving now, meaning that if you make a mistake, it could cost you a lot more. 2 years ago, if you made a mistake, the market worked in your favor, meaning if you made a mistake that cost you time or money, well, by the time you got around to selling that property, it was probably worth substantially more just because the values were increasing so much. But that's not the case anymore. And so you want to make sure that you are educating yourself on all of the different topics. So if you're not sure about any of the topics we covered in this video, watch some of the videos linked in the description and do some more digging around on BiggerPockets to learn more about these different types of strategies in depth. Put in the work, educate yourself, take the action, make the deeply discounted offers, and you can find yourself with great cash flowing assets right now, and you hold them. When the rates come down, your appreciation goes up and you're going to build true wealth. There is a reward for the hard work that you're going to have to do to produce the income that you're looking for. Keep researching and keep taking action. The deep discounts are there if you're willing to do the work, and the reward is there for you too. Thank you so much for joining me. I am Henry Washington. You can find me on Instagram. I'm at the Henry Washington on Instagram. Please make sure you click that like button, subscribe to this channel so we can keep bringing you value. And as always, I will see you at the closing table.